Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a trifold tag with pockets that's perfect to embellish your junk journals. This particular trifold tag is one of the printables that's included in this month's Junk Journal Club. However, you can easily make your own in any size using printable papers printed onto cardstock, or you could even use thick scrapbook paper. To make your own trifold tag, first make a template by drawing the outline of a tag onto a piece of cardstock or cardboard and then cutting it out. It's easy to make a tag template. First decide on the size, then draw a rectangle. You can make it any height or width. Fold it in half lengthways and then cut off a section at an angle on the outside corners. Get your sheet of printable paper and cut it the same height as the tag and 3 times the width. This is a printable paper from this month's Junk Journal Club, and I just love the colours and particularly the butterflies, so I'm going to use the top section of this paper that has the 2 smaller size butterflies, and they'll appear on the front section of the folded tag. After the paper is cut to size, fold it into thirds and press the folds with a bone folder to make a sharp crease. To make an accurate fold, first use a pencil to mark the widths, and then fold and crease using the marks as a guideline. Once the card has been folded, lay the template on top and cut out the diagonal corner sections that gives the tag its shape. To make pockets for inside the tag, cut 3 small pieces of card, slightly smaller than the width of the folded tag, and whatever height you want. I'm going to finish this printable trifold tag, which has all the pieces cut out and ready to be assembled. I'm going to add some stain to the edges of the pockets and the cards to make them look a little vintage style. To attach the pockets, apply some glue along both the side and bottom edges. I'm using a tape runner, but you could also use a glue stick or double-sided tape. Then press into position along the bottom of each of the tag sections. Once the pockets are in place, punch holes at the top of each of the tags. You can thread a piece of ribbon or some other fibre through the holes to keep the assembly closed. However, I've made an embellishment using an earring wire which has a clasp on the back so that the embellishment can be attached and removed easily. On the wire, I've hung a piece of lace, a small piece of printable clip art from this month's Junk Journal Club kit, and a short length of chain with several charms attached.